Hi, everybody. I am Deborah, Timeless Joe by Deborah. So today we are going to do a how-to video, how to get free shipping supplies for eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Amazon, APO, anything like that. So there is a ton of free items out there, and now is really the season to be getting it. So I am going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Okay. So, where to find free shipping supplies? Lots of places. You'd be surprised. So, one of the places that I love to go is freecycle.org. It is a website that is local to your area. So, what you do is you put in your zip code and you will get a notification when things are available. So, a lot of times someone will be moving and they'll have big, large moving boxes and they'll post down there, moving boxes free, and it will tell you the area near you where you can get it. So that is a great resource. You could try Craigslist or any of the other sites that have a website and cater to your local area. So freecycle.org is fantastic. You can also get free items to sell. Not too shabby, but it is really nice and they have a good mission. All right. So also Facebook Marketplace or local friends on Facebook. Friends can be the best. Myself personally, I get items from my neighbors. So it is nice to get air pillows and bubble wrap. You know, you want to make sure it's clean and the boxes are in good shape. But Facebook Marketplace or local friends on Facebook can really help you out because network. If you network with them, you will be able to get more people and more products. So, how cool is that? All right, big box stores. A lot of people forget that you can go to a big box store. So you can go to, say, a Hobby Lobby and talk to the store manager and ask them if they have any large boxes because they have recycling programs. But you do need to check in your local area and with different stores. So you could try Hobby Lobby. You could try any of these stores that get items in boxes. And it's really nice, especially at the hobby stores, because they get the big boxes for like picture frames. So if you're shipping items like that, those boxes can be really expensive. So free is good. But talk to the store manager, they can really be your best friend. All right, furniture stores. Now you got to remember a lot of these items are going to come in bubble wrapped to protect the couches, and they may have filling and the foam core, which is fantastic. That's always nice. So free is good. Talk to your store manager. If the store manager is not there, leave your business card um, and get to know the people that work there. So they are a good resource. Also, car part stores. Yes, really, car part stores. If you think about it, when they're getting a like chrome or anything that's a bumper, anything that's can be dinged, they're going to use foam or bubble wrap. And usually it's clean because these products are coming from a warehouse. So, yeah, car part stores. Make sure that you check it out, get friendly with your neighborhood. And then other items you can do. Okay. So you can do a flyer or a neighborhood newsletter. If you have a homeowners association, put a little ad in there. Myself, when I do my garage sales, I always do a piece of paper and I take it around to my neighbors in my local area and I let them know that I'm doing a garage sale if they want to join with me. But I also let them know that I ship APO and to our military and that I am in need of free shipping supplies. So air bubbles and everything. And now you can really start to get it. So, like I said, freecycle.org is a great website. You can try Facebook Marketplace as well, big box stores, furniture stores, car part stores, and neighborhood chat rooms. Like we have one that's called Next Door in our area, and people will post in there that they have free items. So you don't need to break the bank to be able to get clean, good shipping supplies. So what you really need to do is think outside of the box. Isn't he cute? So if you guys have any questions, you can email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. All the information is right below. And let me know, where are some places that you guys like to get free shipping supplies? And thanks so much for being here, you guys. Have a fantastic day.